The Indian rupee has fallen significantly this year, hitting several record lows repeatedly in recent weeks. And this comes even as the prospect for the economy remains broadly bright, and bets on India's growth story have risen. However, a steady rise in the dollar over the last 2 years has weighed on the rupee along with most major currencies in the world. The impact has been more on emerging market currencies, barring a few spikes here and there. First, the aggressive rate hikes by the Fed lifted the greenback. Now, despite the Federal Reserve pivoting to an easing cycle, seesaw bets on rate cuts have kept the dollar well bid. Pro-dollar positions come even as the Fed delivered a large-sized rate cut in September and followed it up with a smaller 0.25% cut on Thursday. As a result, the Indian currency has weakened significantly, hitting record lows repeatedly this year. To give some context, the rupee was trading at a little over 74 per dollar at the beginning of 2022. Now, the currency is changing hands at a new all-time low of 84.38 per dollar. However, the rupee's decline has been steady as the Reserve Bank of India has repeatedly intervened in open markets by selling dollars to limit any substantial moves. The rupee has been the second best performing Asian currency this year, and more recently on Wednesday when the dollar marked its best rally since 2020. Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex, said this, I'm going to quote here: "As the dust settles on Trump's victory, the impact on global markets is becoming clear. The US dollar surged and bond yields rose sharply, driving the Indian rupee to an all-time low of 84.28 against the dollar. However, the rupee's performance stood out for its relative resilience if compared to other emerging market currencies, as it depreciated only 0.23% against the dollar due to the Reserve Bank of India's intervention to manage the fallout." Now, what's not helping the Indian currency is significant foreign portfolio outflows this year. In October alone, global funds sold off a record $10 billion worth stocks. While Indian stocks have seen record highs this year, foreign investors have stayed on the sidelines, worried about high valuations. Share purchases worth over $50 billion by the nation's domestic institutions have helped prevent a deeper market sell-off. The benchmark Nifty index is up more than 10% this year and on track for an unprecedented 9th straight year of gains. So unless foreign investors return, the currency is set to be on a steady path lower, with analysts eyeing 84.5 per dollar as the next significant level.